Bonjour, you fantastic humans. Let's get into today's lesson. We are going to go through the remaining vocabulary words. We have cylinder, because that is what we're doing today. We're finding the lateral surface area of a cylinder, which is a 3D figure with two parallel congruent circular bases connected by a curved rectangle. Basically a can, like a can of food. That's in a cylinder. Diameter is a line segment that goes through the center from edge to edge of a circle. Next, we're going to be using pi. Pi is a ratio of the circumference of a circle to the length of the diameter. Then we have radius is half the diameter. It's a line segment with one endpoint at the center of the circle and the others on the edge of the circle. Okay, that's actually it, because we're just adding in circles, which is my love-hate. I have a love-hate relationship with circles. The formulas we're going to be using is definitely the circumference of a circle, because we need to find the perimeter, right? Capital P times H. And then let's find what our lateral surface area of a cylinder formula is by going to our reference chart. So surface area, cylinder, I want lateral. S equals 2 pi RH, which that makes sense, right? Pi RH. Because if you see that circumference equals 2 pi R, right, and that will find the perimeter of a circle, then capital P is now 2 pi R times H. I just feel like that makes sense. So 2 pi R times H, which means we're going to need to identify what our radius is. Okay. Cylinders, we're going to call them circular prisms because that is what they are. They are circular prisms. To find, or the lateral surface area of a cylinder is the area of the curved face, which is basically that curved rectangle. Some examples are things like paper towels or the label on canned food. Let's pull out our formula for circular prisms is 2 pi RH. Cool. Let's go through our steps. And again, if we can get steps 1, 2, and 3 done right, the rest of it's easy. Step 1, set up a T-chart and pull out your formulas. Step 2, shade in the base shape. Step 3, find the height. Step 4, plug in the height. Step 5, draw the base shape. Step 6, find the radius. If you're given the diameter, divide by 2. Please do not forget that step. If you're given the diameter, divide by 2 to get the radius. Step 7, solve. Use your calculator. So I'm going to go through and do example 1. You're going to be on the hook to do example 2. So step 1, set up your T-chart and pull out your formulas. To be honest, I did pull them out. I have a circular prism. I'm finding the lateral surface area, which I know to be perimeter times height, but again, it's not perimeter anymore because it's circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi R. So 2 pi RH. Next, draw the base shape and label its dimensions. So they already gave me the radius. Cool, that kind of makes it easier, which means that, because if this is my base, on the bottom as well, then 7.8 has to be my height. Cool. Because this actually makes it super easy. Now all I have to do is just plug things in. 2. And then I'm actually going to hit the pi button on my calculator, times pi, times 4.9, times 7.8, which comes out to about 240 feet. So lateral surface area is about 240. We'll just say 240 feet squared. Well, I feel like that's easy. Cool. Go ahead and try example 2 on your own. See if you can do it. I'm willing to bet you can. Just to go through step by step. So first things first, what are we dealing with? We're dealing with a circular prism. And I want to find the lateral surface area, which comes out to 2 pi RH. Drawing my base shape, shading it in. All right, they gave me diameter, which means radius is diameter divided by 2. So 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So radius is 7, perfect, which means 10 has to be my height. Easy peasy, guys. So lateral surface area equals 2 times pi times 7 times 10. Plugging that all in comes out to about 400, 39.8? Easy peasy. Cool. Things are so much easier with calculator and formulas. There you guys have it. Let us know if you need any help.